Today we are happy to welcome to our TV studio School Break students from Vasilevsky High School in Velingrad, Bulgaria, who take part in the environmental Erasmus Plus project Klima Vida Change. Petya, what is nature for you and how do you understand the concept of nature?
I would like to start with the saying, love the trees until their leaves fall, then encourage them to try again next year, instead of cutting them down. Nature is everywhere around us. We need to listen to her and understand what she is telling us. We are surrounded and embraced by nature, powerless to separate ourselves from her, and powerless to penetrate beyond her. Nature is not a place to visit. Nature is our home.
Yes, we all agree that nature is our home, but unfortunately we don't always take good care of our home. What are the main environmental issues of the area where you live according to you?
Since we live in a small town located in the Rhodope Mountains and it's a popular tourist destination, the main issue as we see it is deforestation.
Leti, can you explain please what exactly deforestation is?
Deforestation is the permanent removal of standing forests, which occurs for a variety of reasons and has many consequences. Deforestation can include clearing land for agriculture or livestock, or using the lumber for fuel, construction or manufacturing. Cutting down the trees destroys natural habitat of the wildlife. Habitat loss is possibly the greatest threat to the natural world. Human activity is responsible for the loss of around half of the forests that once covered the earth.
Chrissy, how will you comment the fact that people cut down trees every day to make paper and write "Stop Deforestation" on it?
Unfortunately, people could be both responsible and irresponsible when it comes to preserving nature. Obviously, it is a fact that people love nature and our forests, but they don't always act accordingly. We all know that deforestation is expanding dramatically.
Petya, what are the reasons behind deforestation?
The first is agriculture and the need for more farmland. The second is logging and timber extraction for various industries. The third is infrastructure development, including roads and urbanization. The fourth is extraction of natural resources.
What are the effects of deforestation as you see them?
The loss of trees can cause many environmentally damaging side effects, but the most harmful are climate change, desertification, soil erosion, fewer crops, flooding, and the increasing of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere.
The alteration of local and global climates through disruption of the carbon cycle. Desertification, soil erosion that leads to silting of watercourses, lakes and dams, the extinction of species.
Leti, how can a single person help to fight deforestation?
Every single person can make a difference in the fight to save forests by making informed daily choices. By consuming less, avoiding single-use packaging, eating sustainable food and choosing recycled or responsibly produced wood products, we can all be part of the movement to protect forests.
We should check deforestation and take up the planting of trees at a massive rate. It will not only save the animals from being extinct, but also help create regular rainfall and preserve soil fertility. We should avoid over-dependence on fossil fuels like coal, petroleum products and firewood, which release harmful pollutants to the atmosphere. Non-conventional sources of energy like the sun, biogas and wind should be tapped to meet our growing need at energy. It will check and reduce global warming.
Chrissy, what is the message you would like to get across to your peers and to the next generations?
On high priority, we should take care of nature, so that nature can continue to take care of us. Saving nature is the crying need of our time and we should not ignore it. We should embrace simple living and high thinking as the maxim of our lives.